אוויר הרים צלול לקיים וריח אורנים נישא ברוח ארבעים עם כל פעמונים ובתרדמת אילן ועבר שבויה בחלומה העיר אשר בדד יושבת ובליבה חומה ירושלים של זהב ושל נחושת ושל אור הלא לכל שירייך אני כינור ירושלים של זהב ושל נחושת ושל אור הלא לכל שירייך אני כינור חזרנו אל בורות המים לשוק ולכיכר שופר קורא בהר הבית בעיר העתיקה ובמרות אשר בסלע אלפי שמשות זורחות ושוב נרד לים המלח בדרך יריחו ירושלים של זהב ושל נחושת ושל אור הלא לכל שירייך אני כינור ירושלים של זהב ושל נחושת ושל אור הלא לכל שירייך אני
Hi, I just wanted to say how happy I am to be here today to celebrate Brett and Ryan's B'nai Mitzvah. I'm very proud of you, Brett and Ryan. Bretty, you know, I'm your mom, so I'm going to say a little more about you. You were born, as we all know, on the millennium, which was such a special day, January 1st, 2000. And here we are today celebrating Bar Mitzvah. My healthy little boy, who didn't start off so healthy, had a little hole in his heart when he was born and had surgery. Now today you're a fabulous, wonderful little boy who's about to become a man. So proud of you, and I love you very much. I'm getting emotional. I just love you so much, and I'm so proud of both of those boys. Ryan and Brett have a very special relationship, so it's so perfect to be doing this together. And Mommy and Daddy love you guys so much. And I know you're going to do a great job because you're very bright as well as delicious. So you're going to do great. And I love you, and I'm so happy to be here with you today. I also wanted to mention that being that we're here in Israel is so special. That this was such an amazing idea to have your bar mitzvah, not just for 5 hours, but for weeks, because now we're here for 10 days, plus you're going to have a friend's having a bar mitzvah party, and yeah, you don't have to go to Hebrew school for the whole next year. So we're celebrating for a very long time all the wonderful, wonderful things that we're doing today in Israel. I'm so proud of you again, and I love you so much, your baby. And I can't wait for the wonderful things that you're doing in your life, and to be there to share them. Okay, we love you. The whole family's here with you today. Okay? Lots of time ready, lots of time. Bye.
So we're gonna go and then we're gonna actually camp out in the area that is the western wall, that's the south part of Jerusalem. Okay, so we're actually gonna leave on the ground all the way to there. And those are the tunnels that they just dug. They just opened not more than 3 months ago. Okay, to the public.
בלבלי אותו, תעשי לו חשבון, בלבלי אותו, עד שלא יוכל לישון. בלבלי אותו כמו שבלבלת אותי, בלבלי אותו, בלבלי.
We're very happy to be here with you and to celebrate this wonderful occasion. We're always very proud of you, and we love you very much.
Hope you have a very good bar mitzvah now, always in happiness and in health. Love you very much, Brian.
בכל מקום, כל הזמן, יש לכולנו מגדול ועד קטן, ימים יפים וגם פחות, וביניהם תשובה לכל השאלות. יש אלוהים אחד גדול, ובעולם הזה נותן לנו הכל בין אפלה לקרן אור. את הנתיב אנחנו רק צריכים לבחור, וזה ידוע, חיים למתנה, הכל צפוי והרשות נתונה. מי שמאמין לא מפחד, את האמונה להתעטף בציצית. אמן. מי שמאמין לא מפחד, את האמונה לאבד, ולנו יש את מלך העולם, והוא שומר אותנו מכולם. העם הזה הוא משפחה, אחד ועוד אחד זה סוד ההצלחה. עם ישראל לא יוותר, תמיד על המפה אנחנו נשאר, וזה ידוע, חיים הם מתנה, הכל צפוי והרשות נתונה. מי שמאמין לא מפחד, את האמונה לאבד, ולנו יש את מלך העולם, והוא שומר אותנו מכולם. מי שמאמין לא מפחד, את האמונה לאבד, ולנו יש את מלך העולם, והוא שומר אותנו מכולם.
Everybody repeat after me, also Ryan and Brad, the blessing of the Torah. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Asher Kideshanu B'mitzvotav V'tzivanu Al Divrei Torah.
יעמוד חתן עבר מצווה, ריין בן מייקל חזק, לי
ברכו את אדוני המבורך,
ברוך אדוני המבורך לעולם ועד.
ברוך אדוני המבורך לעולם ועד. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם, אשר בחר בנו מכל העמים ונתן לנו את תורתו. ברוך אתה אדוני נותן התורה.
What you reading?
ברכו את אדוני המבורך.
ברוך אדוני המבורך לעולם ועד.
ברוך אדוני המבורך לעולם ועד. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם, אשר בחר בנו מכל העמים ונתן לנו את התורה, את תורתו. ברוך אתה אדוני נותן התורה.
אמן.
ושמרתם.
ושמרתם לעשות את כל החוקים ואת המשפטים אשר אנוכי נותן לפניכם היום. אלה החוקים והמשפטים אשר תשמרון לעשות בארץ אשר נתן אדוני אלוהי אבותיך לך לרשת כל הימים אשר אתם חיים על האדמה. עבד תעבדון את כל המקומות אשר עבדו שם הגויים, אשר אתם יורשים אותם את אלוהיהם על ההרים הרמים ועל הגבעות ותחת כל עץ רענן.
Beautiful!
ברכו את אדוני המבורך.
ברוך אדוני המבורך לעולם ועד.
ברוך אדוני המבורך לעולם ועד. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם, אשר בחר בנו מכל העמים ונתן לנו את תורתו. ברוך אתה אדוני נותן התורה.
אמן.
Amen. Ra'ei Anochi Noten Lifnehem Hayom Bracha Uklala Et Abracha Asher Tishma'u El Mitzvot Adonai Elohechem Asher Anochi אצווה אתכם היום בהקללה אם לא תשמעו אל מצוות אדוני אלוהיכם וסרתם מן הדרך אשר אנוכי מצווה אתכם היום ללכת אחרי אלוהים אחרים אשר לא ידעתם וחיה כי הביאך אדוני אלוהיך אל הארץ אשר אתה ושמה ורשת ונתת את הברכה על הר גריזים ואת הקללה על הר עיבל הלא המה בעבר הירדן אחרי דרך מבוא השמש בארץ הכנעני היושב בערבה מול הגלגל אצל אלוני מורה.
אנחנו עכשיו עוברים לחלק פארט 2 של טקס הבר מצווה של שני החתני הבר מצווה, משפחת אנגרטל ומשפחת רייצ'ל. אנחנו נמצאים עכשיו עוד מעט באיזה חודש?
אלול.
אלול. עוד מעט חודש אלול, זה חודש הרחמים והסליחות שכל עם ישראל בתקופה כזאת מתכונן לפני ראש השנה ולפני יום כיפור. וואו. Maybe Mashiach is coming? וואו. אולי זה בזכות
Everybody run away! The Romans are coming!
זה משהו מוזר. נראה להם שיש מדי פעם פה כל מיני אנרגיות כאלה מוזרות.
There's a whole bunch of weird people every once in a while here.
יש פה כל מיני כאלה דברים מעניינים. אולי הם עושים פה סרט לכבוד ראש השנה, אני לא יודע בדיוק מה זה.
Maybe they're doing some sort of Rosh Hashanah presentation or something down there.
אוקיי, אבל אנחנו נחזור חזרה לחתן הבר מצווה שלנו.
Rabbi, run away, please! The Romans are coming! The Romans are coming! Take your people and find a shelter! They are attacking now!
תגיד, על מה אתה מדבר? ממלכת רומא נפלה, עברו 2000 שנה, עם ישראל חזר לארץ ישראל, אנחנו בתקופה אחרת.
What am I talking about? He's saying that 2000 years passed away? How can it be? Please! I saw them now. They are attacking the Romans. Say a praying with me. Maybe God will listen to our praying and will save us. Shema
הלו.
Israel.
איפה היצור הזה הגיע לפה היום? היי.
What?
יופי, תגיד לי, אולי נרדמת פה 2000 שנה, יכול להיות?
I was sleeping for 2,000 years. What it sounds to you? Rabbi, there is a Roman between.
לא, זה צלם, תחה זה קוראים.
Oh, what is happening here? I was sleeping for 2,000 years. How can it be? You know what, Rabbi?
אולי נרדמת 2000 שנה.
Now I remember what it was. It was Shabbos. I went into the kitchen and I saw the big pot of chunt that Orly and Lisa made. I ate it all alone. But I didn't think I would sleep for 2,000 years. What am I going to do now? Where is my wife? Where is my family?
תגיד לי, מי אתה?
Who am I? Who are you?
רבי שמעון אלהרר, רבי אוף מסעדה.
Rabbi Shimon, Rabbi of Matzada. It's funny, this guy. How can it be if my name is Titkiyahu, son of Elazar, son of Yair, the Rabbi of Matzada?
או, שלום עליכם.
Shalom. Thank you very much. And what are you doing here with these nice people?
הם עושים כאן טקס בר מצווה על המצעדה.
Bar mitzvah?
כן.
Really? Oh, this is so nice. This is Jewish family that came to celebrate the bar mitzvah. I'm probably interfering you like this in the middle of the ceremony. I see the Torah, everything. I didn't mean to interfere, Rabbi. You continue. I go back to my cave. Mazal tov, family.
רגע, בוא.
Thank you.
תזכיהו, זו הזדמנות בשביל היסטורית שתראה לי חסו לפני 2000 שנה טקס בר מצווה למצעדה.
Oh, he wants me to teach him how it was done 2,000 years ago, the bar mitzvah here on Matzada. Do you want me to show him how to do it?
Sure.
Yeah.
Why not?
Oh, they want me to show them. So you step away, please. I'm sorry, Rabbi. I want to start the bar mitzvah of the family.
אינגרטל ורייג'ואן.
Two families. What's the name again?
רייג'ואן אינגרטל.
Rajuan and Gertal? I don't believe it. What is happening today here, Rabbi? Rajuan and Gertal was the last families I did right here a bar mitzvah 2,000 years ago. I remember it like it was today. It was one of the special bar mitzvah I did in the Metzada. Two families related together. The Agertal family, I remember the father. He was one of the most important men here on Metzada. His name was Michael. And he was the vice president of the economical company of Metzada. His wife, his name is Orly, and she was his right hand. Without her, he was nothing. I remember the second family, Rajuan Rabbi. Rajuan was one of the most important also families in Metzada. Gil and his wife Lisa had a business here in Metzada, a spa and massage business. They took the palace of Herod's king and they make it a very big business. They went very well. I remember them. Wait a minute, what? Ryan? Brad? Gil, Michael! What? I don't believe I see you again.
Look, you haven't changed.
What is going on? I think I'm in the middle of a dream or something.
You aged very well.
Oh, thank you very much. I have a little bit white hair, but it's okay, you know, for 2,000 years. But wait a minute, Ryan, Brett, it's your bar mitzvah?
Yeah.
Why are you standing like this quiet? Please welcome Ryan and Brett! thing that the priest would say at the Holy Temple in Jerusalem. Nowadays, it's a tradition that fathers bless the children, their children, with the same blessing. So please, when I give you a sign, you will say Amen. Okay? Like this. Like this. Both hands. Repeat after me. וידבר אדוני אל משה לאמור דבר אל אהרון ואל בניו לאמור כה תברכו את בני ישראל אמור להם יברכך אדוני וישמרך אמן. Don't sleep. יאר אדוני פניו אליך ויחונקה.
Amen.
Lisa, Orly. Amen. יישא אדוני פניו אליך וישם לך שלום.
ושמו
את שמי על בני ישראל ואני אברכם.
Amen.
I really want to thank everyone for coming such a long way to be with us. It's about as special as it can be. The two cousins that are less than a year apart or a little more, and then they've grown up together and they're so close. There's a few more sitting here, and we couldn't ask for a better situation. You know, they're so close and they love each other, and they're going to have this memory for the rest of their lives, which is very unique and very special. And we're so glad we did it. Orly, you talked us into it. You came up with the idea, and it was a long time ago, and now it's here, and it's exceeded my expectations. It's beautiful, and it's we'll never forget this moment. Thank you everybody for coming. Love you.
I echo everyone, thanking everyone for coming out here to celebrate this really special moment. Orly, you planned everything and really turned an idea and a concept into reality. And when we look out where we are in Masada and what it meant, and hearing the stories of the bravery and the heroism that went on here, it really is something special how we fit into this continuity of our families. And it's great that our closest families are here celebrating together. And Brett and Ryan, you guys did a wonderful job. And Ryan, I know all the preparation that you did to go into this, and I know I can't be prouder of you. You know, many of the times watching you grow up, it was very special. You're a perfectionist. You want things to turn out right. You have perseverance, and you're very special. And I hope this is something that you recall and remember for your whole life, because I know Mom and I are very, very proud of you. And Mazel Tov, and best wishes for everything in your life.
Thank you.
Okay, I just wanted to say that, well, of course, you know, we're so excited to be here today and to have this special moment with Brett, our family, Ryan. We're so proud of both of you. Brett is a very special child. He's a very confident, happy person. He loves his family dearly, and he loves his cousin Ryan so much. They're extremely close. We couldn't be happier to have them do this together, and we're very, very proud of Brett and Ryan. Thanks for everyone being here.
Okay.
Orly?
Okay. Okay, yep. Because everybody said how close Ryan and Brett are. I just want to start from the very beginning of birth. The day that Brett was born, Ryan, you know, the friendship grew because Ryan wanted to play catch with him and tried to throw an orange at his head from the very first day. And from that day on, they were like the best of friends, inseparable, and cousins. And it's so special for us to do the bar mitzvah together, but particularly in Israel. We just, my mother, this is my mother's homeland, my father's too. We wish my mom could be with us. Savta was very close to both the kids, and she would do anything to be here with them right now. And you know, this probably makes her very happy to know that we're doing this in her homeland, close to her. And you know, Brett, you are a very special boy. You've always been kind and generous and sweet and loving, and it doesn't surprise me that, you know, Ryan stuck to you like glue, and two of you made each other laugh all the time, and you've grown into quite the boy. And Ryan, you're my pride and joy, and anything you put your mind to, you could do. I never thought you'd be able to stand up in front of all your family and you know, study the Torah and do your Hebrew and read, and you really put your mind to it. You said, "Don't worry, Mom, I got this." And you know what? You really got that. You nailed it. You did a great job. I'm so proud of you. And Dad and I are proud of all your accomplishments. You know, basketball, your school grades, and even you're getting better with your little sister. So we love you. Mazel tov. This is the first of many.
I know, even though we're like close to 3 years apart, we're still like best friends, and you're so much fun to be around. It's great having you as my brother. And Ryan, you're like a third brother. Because like, even though we only see each other like maybe like 10 times a year, it's still, we're like really close, and it's great like being your cousin. I could brag to all my friends that my younger cousin could beat them in basketball. That's awesome. Proud of you guys.
Yay. And Hayden, just say something. To Brett.
I'm Ryan. You're a really nice brother. Everyone. And I love playing with you. And it's fun to have you as my brother. And Ryan, you're really nice.
Okay.
I love you too.
And the small one?
What do you want to say? No, she doesn't say.
All
right. Say congratulations.
She loves her family, though, this little girl.
So, I really want to thank my family. Well, everyone here is my family. Well, sort of. And for taking me here. And without you, I wouldn't have a family. And I wouldn't be a bar mitzvah and a man. Well, I probably would be a man. You know what I mean. And so I just think it's really nice that you took money and brought me to Israel for my bar mitzvah. And thank you. I really love you. And that's really nice. Thanks.
Well, I just want to start with saying that thank you guys all so much for coming, because I know it was really hard to get out here on the plane, and it was, I know it's like a hard trip, so I want to thank you guys, all of you guys, for coming, and it really means a lot to me. And also thank you to everyone in my family, Mom, Dad, thank you for making this trip possible, and I love you guys. And Mom, you always do everything for me, I know that, so thank you. And Dad, you've helped me with basketball, with sending me all those camps, and that's probably gonna be a lot for me in the future in high school, and I'm gonna enjoy that. And Lacey, you know I love you, so no matter what I do, I always love you. Alright, thank you guys.
That's very nice. That's me and Ryan from both of us. Mine didn't count. I can do it.
Just a minute.
Wow. I can do it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Why did you throw it up? That was worse than his speech.
You?
Why?
What if he got it like perfectly? So he's coming to do his bar mitzvah here.
Yes, exactly.
Let me try one more time. I'm afraid the stitches were gonna pop. Brett, pick.
Ooh. That was bad, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. That's good.
Usually he's not.
תגידו לה שיש בחור שמבקש להיות האיש הכי קרוב אליה. תגידו לה שהיא לא תסכים, אני הולך כאן לנצח. תגידו לה שיש בחור שמבקש להיות האיש הכי קרוב אליה. תגידו לה שהיא לא תסכים, אני הולך כאן לנצח. החיבוק המגע והחום בנשמה, שאיתו אני עף הכי גבוה. החיוך הגומות, המבט הליטוף ששובים את ליבי כל רגע. היא יודעת שהיא ממכרת אותי, לא יכול לצאת ממנה. מנסה לפתות ומצליחה, כל היום חושב עליה.
Hi, Ryan and Brett. Mazel tov, congratulations. We're riding the cable car down from Masada. Both of you did a wonderful job. The bar mitzvah was really special. It's really something you'll remember for the rest of your lives. It's great that the whole family was here to celebrate with you. I couldn't be prouder of you guys, and I know you have a great future and anything you want to achieve, you will. It's been a wonderful, wonderful time. And you made us very proud. As you're doing right now, you always make us laugh, kind of. Can't take you too seriously, or it'll make us crazy. But great job, Mazel tov, and we love you.
Mazel tov, Brett, Ryan. Really so proud of you guys. It's thanks to you that we're here. So glad we did this. Really, it's the experience of a lifetime. It was just a very unique day, very special. This place is outrageous. Glad we got to experience this together. And glad that, we're in each other's lives. I'm very proud of both of you. You're great friends. I hope you'll always have that special bond, that all these times that we spend together, it just solidifies it more and more. With Jake and Hayden, when I see the four of you together, it's like, really I can see how close you guys are. I love it. You guys are true cousins, true family. You're growing up together, and you'll always have these memories. So congratulations. It was a great time. Love doing this with you guys. We'll remember it forever. Mazel tov.
Ryan and Brett, it's amazing. We're here at your bar mitzvah. I never thought this day would come. We've put a lot of work into planning it, and you guys have done a great job to prepare for it. It's very special that it's in Israel, Savta's homeland, and the two of you have been best of friends since you were very young. And Brett, you were always a very sweet little boy, kind, generous, caring, and you've turned into quite the man, all the same qualities, and we adore you to pieces. And Ryan, you too, you've really made us very proud and become a very special boy and a nice role model for your sister. And put your mind to do anything and accomplish anything, and we're so proud of you. We love you. And mazel tov.
פספסת, 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 אחי נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, 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 אחי נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, אחי נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, כולם צוחקים ואתה לא רואה, הם מצלמים ואתה לא יודע, לא הבנת
say, Mom, Dad, family, this is ridiculous. This is so cool. Thanks for bringing me here. I really love you. The bar mitzvah was amazing. I'm at Masada. That was one of the most amazing things I've ever seen. This is so great, and I just love you so much. Thank you so much for doing this, and I'll never take this for granted. Thank you. I love you. Ryan, you're really ugly. You're really ugly, and you're really funny, and you're really good at basketball, and you're just part of, like, just one of my other brothers. I just love you really so much, and thanks for being here with me. I love you. Thanks.
קולט ווקי טוקי אוזניות, מכרו אותך בשקל, אתה לא מאמין, עבדו עליך צוות מקצועני. עוד אחד נוסף לרשימה, עשה לנו טובה, תחייך למצלמה. פספסת, 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 אחי נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, 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 אחי נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, כולם צוחקים ואתה לא רואה, הם מצלמים ואתה לא יודע, לא הבנת מה קורה, אחי נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, כולם צוחקים ואתה לא רואה, הם מדברים ואתה לא שומע, לא הבנת מה קורה, יום הנקמה יגיע, הגלגל עגול, חכה לו בפינה עם מצלמה כי גם אתה יכול, רום לא לסבול, תוציא לו תמיץ, קרא לכל החבר'ה שאיש לא יחמיץ, סתם בצחוק, הכל בכאילו, נגרום לו לצעוק הצילו, כמו שגי, אם הוא עצבני, תסתכל לו בעיניים ותגיד פספסת, 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 אחי נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, 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 אחי נפלת בפח אתה פספסת, הם מצלמים ואתה לא יודע, לא הבנת מה קורה.
Mazel tov, Ryan. You did a great job today. We're very proud of you, and we're happy to be here helping you celebrate your bar mitzvah. Great job.
Congratulations, Mazel Tov.
Happy bar mitzvah.
So I can't believe they grew so fast. I remember when they were just born, when so Brett was just born, Ryan almost threw an orange at his head. It was so moving. I can't believe they grew so fast. So, just kidding. I met you guys yesterday, and I have been very moved with your family. Everybody's very warm and wonderful. So I want to wish you, both of you, to have a great life. I hope I'll see you again when I go to New York. And your bar mitzvah was very, very moving. It was very beautiful. I've seen a lot, and this one I almost cried with emotion. So it was beautiful. And Mazal Tov, and all the best from Israel. Yay!
לכל מדינה כאן בעולם מאכל לאומי המוכר לכולם וכל ילד בגן יודע כי האוכל מקרוני הוא איטלקי לאוסטרים בווינה שניצל טעים והצרפתים אוכלים צפרדעים הסינים אוכלים אורז דקה ורזה הקניבלים אוכלים זה את זה ולנו יש פלאבל, פלאבל, פלאבל לאבא מתנה, גם אמא כאן קונה לסבתא הזקנה נקנה חצי מנה וגם החותנת היום תקבל פלאבל, פלאבל עם הרבה 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 פלפל פעם כשבא
Well, first of all, I just want to say that I'm on this nice camel here, and this is pretty fun. Also, I'm really happy that everyone came out for my bar mitzvah and me and Brett's bar mitzvah to Israel, and that was really nice. And also my cousin Brett right here. He happens to be really ugly, but I still love him no matter what, even though he's so ugly. And he's a good kid, and he worked really hard, so I'm really proud of him. I'm happy that we're both men now. I just want to thank my parents for making it possible for me to come out here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.
All right.
Dad, I wish you would take a picture of my camera. Vivi, whatever you don't kick the camera. Connie!
Why won't we
Vicky! Vic!
طبقه شلقة מצחיק ביותר הוא וואלה אל-עזים פלאפל עשוי בידי אשכנזים ופלאפל כזה תמיד הרגיש בטעם מוזר של גפילטע פיש רק לנו יש פלאפל 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 לאבא מתנה גם אמא כאן קונה לסבתא הזקנה נקנה חצי מנה כי זה המאכל הלאומי של ישראל פלאפל פלאפל עם הרבה 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 עם הרבה 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 עם הרבה הרבה פלפל